Now let's see this question. A tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of a deer, but 2 leaps of the tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. Then compare their speeds. So here if you observe it, there are two things given. One is tiger's leap and other is deer's leap. So leap means in one jump, right? So in one jump tiger will be able to cover some distance, but in one jump deer will be able to cover a different distance. So let us say the amount of distance that tiger will be able to cover in one leap is, assume that it is x, and similarly amount of distance that deer will be able to cover is, let us assume that it is y. Okay, you can either assume x meters and y meters, it doesn't matter here. Okay, and now they are saying that this one, so 2 leaps of the tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. So which means 2 leaps of the tiger means 2 into x is equal to, here see this, 2 leaps of a tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. From this I am writing 2x equal to 3y, right? So from this I can say x by y equal to 3 by 2. So this is what I got. Okay, and now if you look at the first one, a tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of the deer. So what does it mean? Now if they have to cover some distance, right, or let's say they are trying to cover some some distance in some time. So in a given time, let us assume that the given time is t. If tiger is taking 3 leaps, deer is taking 4 leaps. That is the meaning of it, right? So which means in a time which is constant, tiger will be able to move 3 leaps. So what is the leap of a tiger? So one leap of the tiger is equal to x distance, right? Therefore tiger will be able to move a distance of 3x. And what about deer? Deer will be able to move a distance of 4y, right? Now these two will be different depending on the speed in which they are going. Now we have to compare their speeds. If we assume that, so this is the distance covered by the tiger, let us write dt, and this is the distance covered by the deer, let us write dd, and in a given time, right? Now we have to find out the ratio of their speeds. Compare their speeds means ratio of their speeds. So what is the speed of tiger is to what is the speed of deer, right? So st by sd. Now how can you find it out is, now observe this, we know the formula d equal to speed into time. Given that time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance, or distance is directly proportional to speed. Now in this we want to use the rule that speed is directly proportional to distance. Therefore speed of the tiger is to speed of the deer will be equal to distance covered by tiger divided by distance covered by deer. Now what is the distance covered by tiger? In this time distance covered by tiger is 3x. And what is the distance covered by the deer? Distance covered by deer is 4y. 3x by 4y, right? Now it is 3 by 4 into x by y. Now what is the value of x by y? We already found out the value of x by y is 3 by 2. So if you substitute it here, 3 by 4 into 3 by 2. So which is 9 by 8. So 9 is to 8 is the ratio of their speeds. Only thing you should be able to understand in this question is a tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of a deer. So what does it mean? By the time deer finishes 4 leaps, tiger is able to take 3 leaps. So understand this, by the time, which means time is constant in both the cases. If I let deer take 3 leaps, let us say tiger, right? Yeah, if I let tiger take 3 leaps, in that time deer is able to take 4 leaps, right? So what does it mean? The time is constant. Once you understand that the time is constant, then only you will be able to understand that speed is directly proportional to distance, and from that you will be able to get that, right? Okay.